That was a great start.
Oh, stuff, man.
Great to see such a great big audience too, terrific. All having a good time?
It's great, isn't it?
I'll soon put a stop to that. Going to carry on with a song from our newest, latest album, Flash Lads, available at all good record stores, particularly the one here. And as you can see, we're a big band, we've got lots of kids between and lots of mouths to feed. So. Dig deep.
And future kids as well.
Anyway, as I say, we carry on with a song from that album. It's an original song of Ian's from his years and years ago, when he was a youth in England, from his Morris dancing days, and it tells the tale of a Morris dancer having had an ale or three, probably becoming a bit maudlin, reminiscing on the experiences he's had, the places he's been, the people he's encountered along the way, with perhaps a little chemical enhancement now and again. Anyway, it's, as I say, partly autobiographical, partly fantasy, partly downright lies. Anyway, if you fancy joining in, it's got a grand chorus. Name is Tom Cleaver, this is this song, the road and the jazz who love you. Dance for the rich, and a dance for the poor, and a dance for the king and the queen. For the ale, strong healthy boys, we'll drink a good health to the hay. And if Christian giving is your charity, if ever I'm passing your way. Dancing in love, and I'm dancing myself, I've stepped out the Oxfordshire way. Dance for the town, and I dance for the gown, when they crown me the king of May. For the ale, strong healthy boys, we'll drink a good health to the hay. And if Christian giving, give me your charity, if ever I'm passing your way. Dance in the tatters, dance dressed in white, and I dance across parts of the world. Once I confess, once I dance in a dress, with me face printed black as the wall. 'Twas the ale, strong and healthy boys, we'll drink a good and